Alright, now I doing some unboxing of Tamiya Avante Junior Black Special, a classic one. Wow, the package is good. Okay, the box is already opened and now we can see the rims for the tire. And the tire made of rubber tire. And after that, these are the body parts. After the body parts, we can see the motor, terminal, and also the gear set. And the best of all, the classic Type 2 chassis. This is the rare one. Wow, so great to have all of these parts here. And last but not least, the decal of or the stickers. And also in every Tamiya box are include the safety or the guidance to assemble the kit. Now let's start the assembly process. Start from the chassis. Let me open it first. Alright, here's the cool part. In this kit, we've got two different gears. We have 4.2 to 1 gear for all you speed demons out there, and a 5 to 1 gear. Perfect for a bit more control and torque. Now, which one do we pick? Decisions. As you can see, 5 to 1 gear using the blue and green combination, 4.2 to 1 gear using red and brown combinations. I think I'll go with the 5 to 1 gear. Why? Because we're not just racing on any regular track. I want to take this Avante Junior outside the lines, just like Dash Yonkuro did. I want to play it with Dash Yonkuro style. That's right, we're hitting the streets.
ガイドさん、選手たちが持ってる甘党のようなものは何でしょう？はい、あれはガイドスティックです。さあ、ガイドスティックとはどんなものか、今回は僕が説明しようね。ミニ四駆はまっすぐしか走れないので、このガイドスティックを使ってマシンと選手が一緒に走り、スティックでマシンをコントロールするんです。こんな感じ。
The 5 to 1 gear gives me the control I need to tackle rough surface, dodge street obstacles, and maybe even hit a few jumps. It's all about power and stability when you're off the track. And the 5 to 1 gear is going to make this little Avante Junior a street beast. Alright, now it's time to put on the wheels and rims. Check out these vibrant red colors on the rims. Absolutely stunning. And they're large sized, which give this car just the right amount of height off the ground. Perfect for outdoor play. But here's the twist. I'm not using the regular rubber tires that come in the box. Nope. Instead, I'm going with these foam tires. Why? Because they're softer, cushier, and just feel so much better for off-track adventures. It's all about comfort and control when we're hitting the streets. With these foam tires and those bright red rims, this Avante Junior is ready to take on any surface. Alright, now it's time to get the heart of this build, the motor and the terminals. Without this, our Tamiya Avante Junior will just be a very cool looking paperweight. So let's start by placing the motor into the chassis. This is where all the power comes from, and we want it locked in tight to handle whatever surface we're taking it on. And remember to install the terminals because these are essential for connecting the motor to the power source, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Gonna make sure they're nice and secure so we get a good clean connection. And now the moment of truth. After all that effort, all those pieces carefully put together, will it work? Yes, it's alive! Look at it go! The motor's humming, the wheels are spinning. This Avante Junior is officially ready for action. Now it's time to add the final touch in the chassis, the rollers. We've got 4 of these little guys, 1 for each side. So what do these rollers actually do? Well, they're more than just decoration. The rollers help guide the Tamiya smoothly along the track. And also, it can help us when we play it off track, keeping it balanced and stable during those high-speed turns. Think of them as the training wheels that keep our car on course. Each roller sits on the edge of the chassis, ready to keep the Avante Junior from tipping or losing its way. With these rollers in place, our Tamiya will be able to handle any twist and turn, staying steady and smooth. With all 4 rollers installed, this car is ready to hit the track, or in our case, the streets, with the guide stick. And now, last but definitely not least, it's time to add the decals. This is where our Avante Junior gets its personality, its style, and its age. Applying decals might seem like a small step, but trust me, it makes all the difference. These stickers take the car from just another kit to a true racing machine. Look at that! This is where we get these iconic designs. Those sharp lines and that little bit of flair that make the Avante Junior stand out on the track, or in our case, the streets. And there we have it. The Avante Junior fully dressed up and ready to roll. With these decals, it's not just a Tamiya, it's a Tamiya with style. How do you think about it?